Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our 19th chapter, Let's Eat Together. In this chapter, we are going to learn about three different topics. First one, what is the benefit of eating food together? Second, celebration of Uttarayan. And third, midday meals of schools. Children, do you know what is the benefit of eating food together? People of all ages eat better when they share a meal with others. They tend to eat more fruits and vegetables and other nutrients rich foods. They also eat less pop and fried foods. Eating together gives young children the chance to learn more words and how to communicate better. Then what does eating together symbolize? As an every ritual, the family meal can be seen as a symbol of shared family life. It organizes the family, regularly bringing family members together and contributing to their physical, mental, and social well being. It may be more towards love or towards duty, but it always shows commitment to the family. 15 benefits from eating family meals together. Family meals offer development booster. Mealtime for me as a kid were often about listening to my parents talk about work. Meals create family bonds, improved grades, better physical health, creating good nutritional habits, teaches routine, saves money, improves communication. Class party. The school reopened today after the vacation. The children talked about how they had fun their holidays. Meena, why did you put mehndi on your palms? Ardi, because of my uncle's wedding. Meena, oh, you might have had a lot of fun there. Ardi, yes, I enjoyed a lot. Eating together also. Tehana, shall we also eat together in the class? David, wow, it will be fun. Let us do that. All have decided to arrange a party in the class. Each one started telling what would they bring from their home. On Saturday, they all brought the things and enjoyed the party. A variety of dishes were there. All played, sang and danced together. Do you like to eat with others? Yes, I like to eat others. On what occasion do you eat together with your friends? During functions, festivals, and lunch break in our school, I eat together with my friends. Have you ever had a party in your class? When? How did you celebrate? Yes, we had many parties in our class. It was held on Republic Day. We arranged a cook, sparkle light, ingredients to prepare food, vehicles for pickup and drop-up invitations card. What did you and your friends bring to the party? We bought flags, balloons, sparkle powder, etc. to the party. What did you all eat? We ate snack at first, then carried on with our lunch. For snacks, we had pastries and cakes, and for lunch we had dal, pulao, puri and sweets. All did you invite your party? We invite teachers and parents of students for our party. Who did not attend the party? Why? No, all the people are attend the party. Celebration of Uttarayan. The festival of Uttarayan marks the day when winter begins to turn into summer according to the Indian calendar. It is the sign for farmers that the sun is back and the harvest season is approaching, which is called Magara Sankranti or Maha Sankranti. Then what does Uttarayan means? The term Uttarayana, commonly Uttarayan, is derived from two different Sanskrit words, Uttara that means north and Ayana that means movement, thus indicating a semantic of the northward movement of the earth on the celestial sphere. Then what is the special attractions of Uttarayan? Though Uttarayan is originally a special day of the Hindu calendar, it is said that the idea of flying kites to celebrate the date was a concept that arrived with Muslims from Persia, and it has now transcended all religion boundaries. Indian foods to make this Uttarayan deliciously delightful. Undiyu. During Uttarayan, most of the Gujarati people prefer undiyu and puri as their meal for the day. Several restaurants and halwai shops offer this delicious food. Pinky woke up early in the morning. She ran to call her friends Sejal, Ayush, Tanveer, Fatima and Iqbal to their houses. Today is the Uttarayan. Everyone was so happy. Pinky woke up early in the morning and then what she can do? She ran to call her friends. Who all are her friends? Sejal, Ayush, Tanveer, Fatima and Iqbal. What is the specialty of today? Today is Uttarayan. They have done special preparation to celebrate Uttarayan. How will they celebrate Uttarayan? Let's see. They woke up early. Their elder brother tied the kite, bridle, kinna and kept them ready to the previous day. Pinky's grandmother has made tills laddu and groundnuts chikki. Then they all are woke up early. Their elder brother tied the kite, bridle, kinna and kept them ready on the previous day. And Pinky's grandmother has made tills laddu and groundnuts chikki. Sejal has brought laddu of puffed rice, that means mamra from home. Tanveer has brought boar from his garden. Ayush's mother also gave fresh boar. Pinky's mother is preparing undiyu. Do you know which ingredients are required to prepare undiyu? Cluster, that means guava, beans, runner, otherwise valor, beans and brinjal, potatoes and tomatoes. Spices like capsicum, coriander and ginger are also required. Without sweet potato, elephant food and yam, there is no taste in undiyu. Mother added vada of fenugreek leaves too. Iqbal was surprised to all this. Grandmother was making hot jalebi. All have started eating it. Now everyone went to the terrace to fly kites. Some flew fly kites and some held firki in their hand. Everybody cheered. Capio, Geo and also sang songs. Throughout the day, all were in sunlight. They enjoyed a lot. When is Uttarayan celebrated? On 14th January. Do you know that the people from all religions celebrate Uttarayan? Yes, all the people from all religions celebrate Uttarayan. How is laddu or til or chikki made? Do you prepare undiyu at home or bring it from market? At home also sometimes we bring from market. Which preparation has to be done before cooking undiyu? We have to cut all the vegetables and make mutiyas before cooking undiya. Find out and tell. How many people in the village have made undiyu on Uttarayan? Almost all the people in the village have made undiyu on Uttarayan. Have you seen Uttarayan celebration at night too? Did you like it? Yes, we have seen the Uttarayan celebration at night. What festival your friends celebrate? Deepavali, Holi, Eid and Dasara. What do they eat on that day? Sweet and Savian eat on that day. Who prepares a special kind of food on the day of festival? Mother prepares a special kind of food on the day. Do you wear special clothes or special colored clothes on certain festivals? No, we cannot wear special clothes or special colored clothes on certain festival. By which other name the Uttarayan is known as Magara Sankranti. Midday meals. Several schools are conducted midday meals for the students. The midday meal scheme is a school meal program of the Government of India designed to better the nutritional standing of school-age children nationwide, serving 120 million children in over 1,265,000 schools under Education Guarantee Scheme centers. It is the largest of its kind in the world. Objectives of Midday Meal Scheme: boost students' enrollment, promote students' attendance, to provide hot cooked meal with high nutritional value, attracting children who are reluctant to go to school, promotes overall growth. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. The aroma of food being cooked has filled the air. Our stomach is craving for food. We are so hungry that we are not able to pay attention to the lesson. Turn, turn, turn. The bell rang. All the children ran out to wash their hands. After washing our hands, we all sat in a queue to take our food. We got plate from the school only. Before we started to eat, we sang together. We play together. We eat together. For the good of everyone, we will always be together. Today there is chana chat, tepla and sukki bhaji in our meal. Yesterday we had sukhadi and vegetable khichdi. Outside the kitchen of the school, menu is displayed. It tells what we will get on different day of the week. It is wonderful when we get sweet as an extra treat. There is another interesting thing about lunchtime at school. Every day we change our places in the circle and sit next to a different child. I really like this because I can meet new children and make new friends. Our teachers take care that all children will get fresh and a hot meal. Parents also offer special meal for the helper. Nowadays things are better. We eat fresh, hot and properly cooked food together. We take care that all the students finish the food and they do not waste it. Eating together is fun. Sometimes if someone comes without eating from home, he or she can eat here. Do you like to study with an empty stomach? Imagine. What time is the meal served? The meal is served at the lunch hour 1:30 p.m. What do you get in the meal at school? We get different types of food daily. Do you like the midday meal that you get? Yes, I like the midday meal that we get. Is the food you get enough? Yes, the food given is enough for me. Do you bring your own plate or do you get it from the school? We bring our own plate to school every day. Who serves the food? The food is served by peon. Do your teachers eat with you? Yes, our teachers eat with us. Is the week's menu put up on the school board? Yes, the week's menu is put up on the board. What do you get on Wednesday and Friday? We get dal and rice on Wednesday and roti, dal and vegetable on Friday. If you will get a chance to change the menu for the meal in your school, what would you like to change? What would you like to eat? Make your own menu. Monday, sabji, puri, sweets. Wednesday, dal, rice, salad. Friday, roti, palak paneer, dal. Monday, sabji, puri, sweets. Wednesday, dal, rice, salad. Friday, roti, palak paneer, dal. Midday meal, every child's right. Many children in our country are not able to get even one full meal every day. Many of them go to school empty stomach. The Supreme Court of our country has ordered that all children up to elementary school should be provided with hot cooked food. This is the right of every child. Okay, students. Then, students, do you know what is the importance of festivals? Festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. They are meant to rejoice special moments and emotions in our lives with our loved ones. They play an important role to add structure to our social lives and connect us with our families. Then, do you know what is the importance of midday meals? Midday meals is a scheme started in government elementary schools to help poor children, those who cannot afford for food. These help those children who come hungry or empty tummies from home. Some children whose mothers are working or the source income for their home cannot prepare food early morning because they don't have much time. It provides every child with nutritious and healthy food so that they can concentrate on their studies. Okay, children, now we are going to wind up our class. Thank you.